So this US dollar CAD analysis for Friday the 8th of June. Now let's just have a look what our prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US dollar CAD, we've had prices trade beyond the 130 level. We've had quite a bit of sell side momentum come into the market from that 130 level. We did see prices trade all the way down towards this 128.60. Didn't quite get down towards a 128.39. We did have prices recover here back above the 129.44. So we were oscillating around this 129.44, holding support in around this 129.44. We did not see the breakdown down towards that 129 level where we did have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. Instead, from holding support at 129.44, we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taking us up towards a test of that 130 level. From this 130 level, we had a brief pullback, put in a bit of a bull flag here, from which we did have a break to the upside and also a break of that 130 level. We've posted a pretty strong candle above the 130 level at present. We have closed above the 130. We do seem poised to have another close above this 130 level. So if we can, we might have a retest of this 130. So if we can hold support of the 130 level, we'll be then looking for price to head towards our 130.50 and challenge our old highs in around a 130.65. But if we do hold support at 130, we're looking for a move up towards a 130.50, from which the very next level that we are looking at here to the upside are as follows. So a hold of the 130.50, we're looking for a move up towards a 131, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside in the coming days or so, a possible move up towards that 131.88 would be the very next level that we are looking at if we are to see strong bullish buy side momentum follow through here on the US dollar CAD. If, however, on the possibly retest of that 129.44, sorry, on a retest of that 130 level, not the 129.44, getting ahead of myself. If we do see on the retest of the 130 level, we're not able to hold support for a continuation of the move to the upside. We're looking for a breakdown towards that 129.44. This level that we previously held support more recently in around a 129.44. Failing to hold support at 129.44 could potentially see us head all the way down towards this 129 level, where we do have that added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing bullish buy side momentum return to the market. And if we do see a greater volatility to the downside, we may just see 128.60 come into focus. But a level of note beneath this 129 that we are looking at is at 128.39 here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the US dollar CAD, on the daily chart, we can see we've got our lows there. We've had a test of the 130. We've had a breakdown towards this area of consolidation around a 127.56. We did say that we did have a slight bias to the long side here as price did appear to be progressing to the upside, and that's pretty much what we've seen. We've seen the break above the 130. We've seen a rejection down all the way down towards this 128.39, and again we found support in around those levels, slightly above those levels also, and we did hold above the 129. So we've seen this slow progression but an increasing progression to the upside here on the US 30, and now at present we are above the 130 level. So we'll look to see if we can close above it from a daily chart perspective, holding it as support above that 130 for moves up towards our 131, and possibly our previous high more recently has been in around let's just see where that is. Our previous high was in around at 131.24. So again, we'll see if we do from a bit of a double top in around at 131.24, our previous high just there. But if we do break beyond the 131 with conviction, the very next level that we are looking at would be a move up towards that 131.88 here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.